Guernsey Biscuits. A bread from Guernsey. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Mix well the salt and flour. Step 2. Cream the butter, yeast and sugar and add the warm milk. Leave for 10 minutes. Step 3. Mix the creamed butter, milk etc. with the flour and knead it well. Cover the bowl and leave to stand in a warm place for 1 hour 30 minutes to rise. Step 4. Kneading the dough again lightly on a floured board and form into round shapes. Step 5. Place these in a greased baking tin and leave to stand for another 20 minutes. Then bake in a warm oven for a further 20 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.